Hello guys, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video we are learning how to uppercase or lowercase or sentence case text or sentence in Windows PC. Everyone is know there is a WordPad. It is already installed on your PC. Just press the Windows button and type word WORD. Then you can see there is a WordPad. Just open that WordPad and type something or paste your content like here. You can see those all the text, the all text is in lowercase. If you want to change it to uppercase or lowercase or any sentence case, you can easily do that by pressing a shortcut in Windows. It is Shift plus F3. Shift, just hold press Shift and press functional F3 key. Okay, we are just trying that. Select all the text and just press Shift F3 for one. Now it is all text are changed to now sentence case. Press one more time. Now it is all text are changed to capital case or uppercase. Then one more time we are pressing that button again. It is all of the sentence, it will be converted to lowercase. Okay, you can easily do that by pressing Shift plus F3. It is only working in Windows WordPad, not working on Notepad. We are just trying that. We are going to Notepad, open that and paste those letters and select all the text, then press Windows plus F3. It is not working, it is only working on WordPad. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.